Bullish Theta Network Theta cost forecast range somewhere in the range of $5.43 and $26 by 2030. Market experts accept Theta could reach $4.22 by 2025. Negative Theta Network market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.9 to 65 in 555. Theta Network Theta presentation. Theta's local cryptographic money is additionally called Theta Theta. The symbolic powers the network and boosts clients to share assets. There are two sorts of hubs on the Theta network: normal hubs and asset-rich watchman hubs. Standard hubs acquire prizes for sharing their assets, while gatekeeper hubs procure considerably bigger rewards for checking blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta Network. One of the critical highlights of the Theta network is its utilization of edge storing. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client instead of at a concentrated area. This lessens inertness and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferable streaming encounter over customary CDNet. One more significant component of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with insignificant effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network networking innovation, what eliminates web clog by dispersing traffic among different ways at the same time. How Theta functions. The main thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video web-based stage like YouTube or Jerk. It's likewise a decentralized network fueled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share data transmission and processing assets on a P2P premise. As such, Theta is intended to be a more effective and decentralized approach to real-time video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are essentially PCS that are sent at the edge of the network nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can decrease idleness and work on streaming quality. Theta network is presently worth $0.21 est. Theta has moved 301% as of now with an exchanging volume of $28,167,291. Theta network is presently positioned 362 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,269,044,330 est. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Theta network Theta market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Theta network Theta value expectation 2023. Theta network, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. Theta. The Theta cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.81. Likewise, with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.69 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $0.45. Theta Network Theta Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Theta Network Theta cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $3.2. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Theta's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.41 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.66. Theta Network Theta Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $4.22 and Theta might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.86 and a low of $3.62 in 2025. Theta Network Theta Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Theta Network effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $5.43, with a base cost of $4.83 and a typical cost of $5.07. Theta Network Theta Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6.28 by 2027, with a base cost of $6.3 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Theta has a most extreme value worth of $6.64. Theta Network Theta Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $7.48. On the off chance that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $7.85. Neglecting to accumulate the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $7.24. Theta Network Theta Value Expectation 2029. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between networks to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $8.45 and a yearly cost close above $9.05 in 2029. Theta Network Theta Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Theta Network will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $9.66 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $10.26, averaging out at $9.90. What is the Theta Network Theta cost today? Today, Theta Network Theta is exchanging at $1.21 with a complete market capitalization of $1,216,1944,330. Is Theta Network a wise venture? Theta Network ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that Theta is a decent decision of venture. How high might Theta at any point network go? The typical cost of Theta Network Theta might potentially reach $1.69 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Theta Network might outperform $7.85. What amount will Theta Network be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising prominence of cryptographic money and Theta Network, a drawn-out interest in Theta could see the value ascend to $7.85 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Theta Network be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Theta Network today, likewise with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Theta might actually ascend to $15.33 inside the following 10 years. What will the Theta Network cost be in 2024? Theta Network Theta cost is supposed to reach $3.02 by 2024. What will the Theta Network cost be in 2025? Theta Network Theta cost is supposed to reach $4.22 by 2025. What will the Theta Network cost be in 2026? Theta Network Theta cost is supposed to reach $5.43 by 2026. What will the Theta Network cost be in 2027? Theta Network Theta cost is supposed to reach $6.64 by 2027. What will the Theta Network cost be in 2028? Theta Network Theta cost is supposed to reach $7.85 by 2028. What will the Theta Network cost be in 2029? Theta Network Theta cost is supposed to reach $9.05 by 2029. What will the Theta Network cost be in 2030? Theta Network Theta cost is supposed to reach $10.26 by 2030. What will the Theta Network cost be in 2031? Theta Network Theta cost is supposed to reach $11.83 by 2031.